2023 question 4E here, so, alright. So it's an axonometric. So to give us our two elevations, and they want an axonometric of this, okay? So it's going to be our 30 degree set square we're using for this, okay? We're bringing down our corners, or else bringing them straight up, right? So they have a bit of it done for us. They have this portion done for us, okay? I'm going to bring up this bottom corner here now. I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to bring up this corner. I'm going to bring it down. You can even bring down this top corner here if you want. Okay, and I'm going to get the main square shape drawn in, right? So this here, we have our 30 degree line going back. This fella goes over to here, straight down, and then this goes back here to our back corner, and this goes over here. Okay, but I'm not going to do those in for the moment because the roof is going to be blocking those in a second. Okay, it's going to be blocking those in a minute. Okay, bring this one down just so we know where it is. That's it there. Okay, so next now is our roof we have to bring down, okay? So I'm bringing down the top point of the roof here. And I'm going to do the same here on this one over here. That gives the top point of the roof, and our sides can get joined into that then. Our corners get joined into that. Okay, next thing now is our circle, okay? So, we're going to have to find the circle over here as well on this one. Okay, so I'm going to get the compass and I'm going to step up the distance of the circle from the ground. So it's that far up off the ground. So I'm coming over and I'm stepping up that far from the ground. And the diameter of the circle then is that. So I'm stepping that over there. So in between those points now is the circle, okay? So we need to divide the circle, so I'm going to divide it into, will I divide it? So I'm going to divide this line of the circle here, the center of the line of the circle, into an equal number of parts, okay? So to divide a line of the circle into divide this line into an equal number, draw a line at any angle, any distance, swing off how many points you want. I'm going to do 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your last point gets joined up the end of the circle, and then your other ones are parallel to that. Okay? So where that center line now is divided, I'm going to draw lines parallel here with the base. Okay, and I'm going to number those then, okay? So number 1 is this first one. Then we have 2, and we call this 2. 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5 is the bottom one. Okay? Now if I go back over to this drawing, right? 5 is the bottom one, 1 is the top one. Now I need to get my other distances along here, so all I'm going to do is set the distance between them on the compass, mark them down. So that's 2, 3, 4, so that's 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now it's just a matter of bringing all the points 30 degrees. So we'll start with number 1, okay? So number 1 gets brought down 30 degrees, and number 1 over here gets brought down 30 degrees. So where they meet, that now is number 1. Exact same with the 2 points of 2. So number 2 here, 2 then brought down 30 degrees, and number 2 here then brought down 30 degrees. So 2 and 2. Number 3 is the same. Same with 4. And same with 5 then. 5 is on that number 3 line, so just bring him down. And 5 over here, then bring him down. Okay, so we have all our numbers now, so we can freehand in our curve. And that's that question there then completed as well.